Hey guys, so these are the OEM Chevy Silverado tow mirrors that came with my truck. They're still a pretty nice mirrors. They're still in good shape and everything. And they still got the turn signals on the side. I'm not a big fan of the orange look to them though. And these are the front. They're still electronically adjustable. Not the bottom, but the top are. Same with the Boost Auto Parts ones actually. But I just thought I'd upgrade because it does make a hell of a difference for the appearance on the truck. These do not have defrost on them. The Boost Auto Parts mirrors that I had bought have top and bottom for that. But I'll show you guys the before and after. These are what the Boost Auto Parts tow mirrors look like when they're on your 05 Silverado. They look pretty badass. I definitely recommend anybody to buy these mirrors just because of the quality themselves, because they're made here in America. They're not like those cheapo eBay tow mirrors that you find for about $100. These were about 500, but they were definitely worth it just because I got every option they offered, like the high output LED reverse and dome lights, and I got the switchbacks, which they'll turn white when the truck is running at all times, and when the turn signals are on, they should turn orange. But yeah, the big reason why I got switchback is because I just hate the look of the orange light personally, and when you get the switchbacks, they're literally just a plug and play. They're pretty easy to install, these mirrors, but once you plug them in and get everything wired, the orange lights will only work for the turn signals, and the white lights will only work when the truck is running, because I just hate the look of that orange light. And if you don't get the switchbacks, the orange lights are always on. So yeah, I definitely recommend anybody to buy these mirrors. Definitely worth the buy.